AI didn't suddenly make people obsolete. It revealed gaps that were already there. The work was already shifting. The expectations were already rising. The only difference now is that AI makes the gap visible. Note that this doesn't apply to everyone. Plenty of people have been improving their skills all along. What I'm talking about is a pattern across the industry, not a universal rule. People talk as if the workplace used to be stable. It wasn't. Every 5 years, something major changed. Teams moved from waterfall to agile. Deployments went from quarterly to daily. QA teams that used to rely on manual regression cycles had to deal with automation frameworks, BI tools, and API testing. AI is just the next shift. It's different because it's fast and visible, but the pattern is the same. The world moves. People who don't move with it fall behind. AI exposes dependency on repetitive work. Many people build their careers around tasks, not capabilities. Tasks like copying the same test steps over and over, tasks like manually retesting edge cases that never change, tasks like maintaining checklists instead of maintaining understanding. These were always fragile. AI didn't create the fragility. AI just made it easy to see. Here's an example: a regression cycle that takes 5 days because everything is checked by hand. The team already outgrew that workflow years ago. AI simply highlights how inefficient it was. Here's a direct example. You might be one of those QAs who always found a reason not to learn automation. Too busy, no time, not your job, not your responsibility. This behavior was already putting you behind. AI didn't cause that. AI just widened the gap and made the contrast obvious. And again, not everyone fits this pattern, but enough people do that it shows up everywhere. AI puts a spotlight on 3 specific gaps. Tool literacy. People who avoid new tools get stuck fast. AI assumes you can navigate documentation and understand workflows. Systems thinking. You must understand how components fit together. Without that understanding, AI output becomes noise. Technical communication. You need to explain intent, impact, and context. AI amplifies clarity. It also amplifies confusion. Here's an example from QA. Anyone can write login failed. A valuable tester explains user impact, expected behavior, logs, reproduction patterns, and potential risks. AI cannot work without your insight. If you can't provide the insight, that's the problem, not the tool. People who adapt aren't threatened. AI multiplies their abilities. They get faster at generating ideas, faster at producing code scaffolding, faster at generating test cases, faster at exploring risk. Here's an example. A QA who understands how APIs work can use AI to generate ready-to-use Postman tests or outline a Playwright script. Someone who never learned APIs can't leverage that at all. AI gives leverage to people who already know what they're doing. It doesn't magically give expertise to people who avoided learning. AI replaces tasks, not judgment. It replaces mechanical actions, not strategy. It replaces scripts, not reasoning. If your job was built on mechanical actions, clicking the same buttons, following rigid checklists, filing shallow bugs, then yes, AI is going to push that work aside. But the industry has been phasing out purely mechanical roles for years. AI just accelerated something that was already happening. The future demands a mix of skills that complement AI instead of competing with it. Automation basics. Not being an expert, but understanding how to read and modify tests. API literacy. Knowing how modern systems communicate. Data interpretation. Understanding logs, metrics, and failure patterns. Prompt literacy. Knowing how to guide tools with clear instructions. Business context. Understanding why a failure matters, not just that it occurred. These skills lift your value because they let you use AI well. Without them, AI becomes a crutch instead of a multiplier. AI mirrors your understanding. If you give vague prompts, you get vague answers. If you must understand the system, AI produces convincing mistakes. This reveals gaps instantly. The tool becomes a spotlight on your ability to think clearly, not a replacement for thinking. You can turn everything I just described into a strategic advantage. If you learn foundational skills, AI doesn't threaten you. It becomes your accelerator. You get more done in less time. You stand out. You become the person who understands the system and also uses AI to move faster than the rest of the team. AI didn't make you obsolete. It revealed where you stopped growing. It highlighted gaps that were always there. This doesn't apply to everyone. Plenty of people have been evolving with the industry for years. But people who haven't, the message is simple. You still have time to catch up. You still have time to adapt. AI removes tasks. It does not remove people who think, learn, and evolve. If you found this useful, take the next step. Learn the skills that AI can't replace and start using AI as a multiplier, not a threat. I have a full course on AI that will walk you through modern QA skills with the assistance of AI in all of those workflows. You can find everything at glitchitsystem.com. If you want hands-on training, examples, and real practice, that's the place to start. Don't wait for the industry to force you to level up. Build the skills now and stay ahead of the curve.